You've all been asking, what does the electric setup look like in the vehicle? We're gonna expose the battery so you can see how we mounted it, and we're gonna take the drivetrain apart so you can see just how simple this thing is. First step, you gotta take the seats out. Now you remove the drivetrain tunnel. This is the firewall. You just gotta take out a couple of these bolts, but first you gotta take the seat frame out. Pull out that cotter pin. You got these big bolts that'll come out real easy. All right, so we'll remove the seat frame. All right, so here's our battery. You can see we mounted it with existing holes in the frame. We only added little adapters to get the bolts a little bit more accessible. So if you have an impact, you can get this entire battery out in like 5 minutes. So now we're gonna take the front sprocket off, and this just utilizes a taper lock mechanism. 2 set screws that hold this in, and then it tightens down around the shaft, and then we have a key in there that stops it from anti-rotation. We took the 2 set screws out, and now we're gonna use one of the set screws to actually back the pulley off the shaft. Came loose. What happens is it's gonna slowly move that pulley over. There we go, so it's off. There's the taper lock, you can see right there. So, move that. Here's the taper lock, it's actually tapered. So as you tighten these 2 set screws, it pulls the taper lock onto the shaft. And then we have the belt, then we have the rear pulley. Very straightforward. But here's the drivetrain, you can take a look. Everyone's asking what this setup is, here it is. That's it, that's all there is to it, very simple.